In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link HubSpot with ManyChat. We're going to walk through the full connection process step by step. So by the end, your ManyChat account will be properly integrated with your HubSpot workspace. This will let your chatbot and your CRM talk to each other so you can sync contacts, track conversations, and streamline your marketing and sales workflows. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see an option called Settings, usually represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where ManyChat keeps all of your account configuration options, including integrations with other tools. Inside the Settings area, look again at the menu on the left. You'll see a section called Extensions, and under that, one of the options will be Integrations. Click on Integrations to open the full list of apps and services that can connect to ManyChat. This is the central place where you manage all your external connections. Once you're on the Integrations page, scroll down until you find the option to connect your HubSpot account. It may be labeled something like Connect HubSpot Account. When you see it, click the button that says Connect HubSpot Account. This will start the process of linking the two platforms. A new web page or tab will open, taking you to HubSpot. Here, you'll be asked to choose which HubSpot account you want to connect to ManyChat. If you have multiple HubSpot accounts, you'll see them listed, typically with the account name and associated website or company details. Select the HubSpot account you want to link, then click the Choose Account button at the bottom. Next, HubSpot will show you a page explaining that ManyChat is requesting access to your HubSpot account. You'll see a list of permissions that ManyChat needs in order to work properly, such as access to contacts or basic account information. Take a moment to review these permissions so you understand what data will be shared. When you're comfortable with it, check the box confirming that you agree to use a third-party application by installing this integration, and then click the Connect App button at the bottom. After that, the page will reload again, but this time you'll see a message indicating that HubSpot wants to access your ManyChat account. This is the final step in confirming the connection between the two services. Click Allow to grant access. Once you've done that, your HubSpot and ManyChat accounts will be linked, and you'll be ready to start using the integration in your automations and campaigns.